Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb Focus on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Settings and scroll down. Then tap on Accessibility and scroll. Okay, then back. Tap on Focus and just click on Do Not Disturb, and okay, this option is enabled. Then back home screen and scroll down. Just tap on this option and click on Do Not Disturb. Just tap and this option is enable or disable. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.